Hi, welcome to the Gale US History and Context database. I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial about how to do basic and advanced searches about World War II history within this database. To do a basic search, you can go to the search bar at the very top of the homepage screen, or any of the screens that you're on. For this one, I'm going to click on the search bar and then type in World War II. And I'm going to hit enter, and this will bring up all of the information available on World War II within this database. So you'll see up here in search terms under basic search it says World War II. If you go over here to the right, under content types, it provides information on all of the content types available, such as reference sources, biographies, images and videos, etc. The numbers next to each of these content types show how many of each source are available. So for example, there are 300 primary sources available about World War II within this database. If you scroll down, it just breaks down each of the content types in a little bit more detail. So for reference, for example, there are 2,864 sources available. If I wanted to look through all of them, I could click on reference, and that would bring me to the specific World War II reference page. If I wanted to do a more advanced search, I could go back up to the top and click on the Advanced button. This brings me to a new screen where I can do an advanced search for something a little bit more specific. So for example, if I wanted to do something more specific, for example, information on World War II, information on Pearl Harbor, I would start by typing World War II in the first search bar. There's a drop-down menu here. I want to make sure it says keyword. And I'm putting World War II first because that is the overall, the main information I'm looking for. I'd put the more specific information or the search query underneath. So underneath, if I were going to do Pearl Harbor, for an example, I would type that, and then I'd want to make sure on the drop-down menu once again that it says keyword. So right now we have World War II and Pearl Harbor. If I wanted to do an even more advanced search, I could go down to more options and click on any of these different resources or different options that are available. But for this one, I'm just going to do World War II, Pearl Harbor, and click Search. So it'll bring us back to a page that looks similar to the one we were just on, but you'll notice under content types that the numbers are a lot smaller. That's because if you look up here in the search terms, this is showing information specifically on World War II and Pearl Harbor. So you can sift through here and find the information you're looking for. If you'd like to go back and do any more searches, you can go back up to the search bar or click Advanced up here.